Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapter. We're going to start with the chapter properties. The lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are related addition facts, related subtraction facts, fact families, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division terms, solve inequalities using addition and subtraction. So let's just start with the chapter fractions, properties. Okay, here I'm on grade 2 math. Let's just start with the first chapter, that is related addition facts. What is the related addition? 16 plus 4 equals 20, right? So you have to write down the related addition fact. So the related addition fact for 16 plus 4 equals 20 is 4 plus 16 equals 20. What you have to do, you simply have to swap the numbers 4 and 16, right? So that means if you add 10 plus 4 or you do 4 plus 16, they both have exactly same answer. That means if you change the position of the numbers, the sum of both the numbers is exactly same, right? 16 plus 4 or 4 plus 16 equals 20. So that means the related addition fact is you just have to swap the positions of the number, right? Write the related addition fact for 3 plus 8 equal 11. So related addition fact is either you write 3 plus 8 or 8 plus c. 3, they both have the sum 11, right? 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8, they both have the sum 11. You just have to swap their places, right? Swap means change their places. Either you write 8 first or 3 first. Sum must be 11. Write the related addition fact for 11 plus 4 equals 15. So which is the correct option? The related addition fact for 11 plus 4 equals 15 is 4 plus 11. Basically what you have to do, if you add 11 plus 4 or 4 plus 11, in the both cases the answer is exactly same, right? So the basic thing is if you interchange the position of the numbers, the sum must be same, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Write the related addition fact for 9 equals 15. So which is the correct option? Either you do 6 plus 9, numbers must be same, right? The numbers involved here is 6, 9 and 15, right? That means the number, the correct option is the one that have the same 6 and 15. Just their position is interchanged, right? So it is 9 plus 6 equals 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, if you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box, right? What Write the related addition fact for 3 plus 8 equals 11. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. Either you do 3 plus 8 or you do 8 plus 3. They both have the same answer, 11. The numbers must be same, just their positions is changed, right? Write the related addition fact for 4 plus 6 equals 10. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, that would be option number 2. The numbers must be same, but their position is changed. So it would be 4. Either you do 4 plus 6 or you do 6 plus 4. They both have the answer, 10. Write the related addition fact for 16 plus 4 equals 10. Which is the correct option? Option number, very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Either you do 16 plus 4 or you do 4 plus 16. Both have the same answer, 20. Okay, the next one is write the related addition fact for 10. 3 plus 10 equals 13. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, either you do 3 plus 10 or you do 10 plus 3. The answer is exactly same. So option number 1 is the correct option. Write the related addition fact for 1 plus 13 equals 14. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be option number 2, right? The numbers are exactly same. Here you have 1 and 13 equals 14. So here you have 13 plus 1 equals 14, right? When you add them, they have exactly same answer. That means if you change the position of the numbers, their sum must be same, right? Write the related addition fact for 12 plus 6 equals 18. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? That would be option number 2, right? They have same numbers, 6 plus 12 equals 18. So option number 2 is the correct option. Write the related addition fact for 9 plus 11 equals 20. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be option number 2. 9 plus 11 equals 20 and 11 plus 9 equals 20. They both have exactly same answer. Write the related addition fact for 14 plus 11 equals 15. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is either you do 14 plus 1 or you do 1 plus 14. The answer is exactly 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the related addition fact for 12 plus 7 equals 19. Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is related subtraction fact. That's exactly same like do addition, but just one thing is different. Like write the related addition fact for 14 minus 3. So you cannot write like addition, right? Because if you add 14 plus 3 and 3 plus 14, they both have exactly same answer. But for the subtraction, it is not the same, right? They don't have exactly same answer. So what you have to do for the subtraction facts, you can do subtraction facts like this. You have 14 minus 3 equals 11, right? You have to move this number here. 14 minus 11 equals 3. The numbers are same, just their position, but you cannot swap like 14, 3 and 14. You have to move the number that is on the other side of the equality. You have to move this number. You have to swap these two numbers, right? The smaller one and here, this number, right? Let's just look at the next example. 20 minus 11 equals 9, right? You just have to swap these two numbers. It would be 20 minus 9 equals 11. The numbers must be same, but the position of the two numbers on the other side of the equality and on the other side of negative sign is interchanged, right? That is the difference between the related fact of addition and subtraction. Let's just start with the practice questions. Write the related subtraction fact for 10, 17 minus 10 equals 7. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? Yes, you have to swap these numbers 10 and 7, right? So when you swap them, it would be the numbers must be same, right? So option number you can see 17, 10 and 7. So here you have the numbers are exactly 17, 10 and 7. Just the position of 10 and 7 is changed, right? So option number 1 is the correct option. Write the related subtraction fact for 20 minus 2 equals 18. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. You just have to swap these two numbers, right? So it would be 20 minus 18 equals 2. Write the related subtraction fact for 14 minus 3 equals 11. The correct option is option number 1. Just look at the option that have exactly the same numbers, 14, 3 and 11. So option number 3 is the correct option. Just look at their positions, right? 3 and 11 are interchanged, so it would be 14 minus 11 equals 3. Write the related subtraction fact for 13 minus 10 equals 3. So which is the correct option? 13 minus 10 equals 3. Yes, very good. That would be option number 1 is the correct option. Write the related subtraction fact for 9 minus 3 equals 6, which is the correct option. Yes, very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. Yes, that is option number 2. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Yes, that is option number. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. 20 minus 11 equals 9, and the correct option is 20 minus 9 equals 11. That is option number 2. Write the related subtraction fact for 14 minus 11 equals 3, which is the correct option. Option 1 or 2? Yes, that would be option number 2. Very good. 14 minus 3 equals 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is fact families. So let's just start with the fact families. Fact families. What fact family is missing from the this fact family, right? So you have basic thing you have to understand here is that is the fact family. You have three numbers given, right? You have to write down fact families for addition and subtraction as well. For using three numbers, you have to write down two facts for a subtraction and two fact for addition, because we have already done with facts with addition and subtraction, right? So you can see the numbers are 19, 12 and 7. 19 minus 12 is 7 and 19 minus 7 is 12. And for addition, you are given just one. 12 plus 7 equals 19. That means you are missing the other fact for addition, right? That would be for addition, you can just swap these two numbers. So it would be 7 plus 12 equals 19, right? You are given 3. You have to see if two of the subtractions is given. You are missing one of the facts for addition, right? Then you have to select the one with addition. What fact is missing in from this fact family? So you can see you are given for the subtraction you are given two of them, right? For addition you are given just once. 8 plus 12 equals 20, that 12 20. That means you are missing the one for the addition. This fact family has one addition sentence and two subtraction sentences, right? If you have three numbers, you can write two addition sentences and two subtraction sentences, right? That means the missing one is the addition sentence. So for the addition, you just have to swap the position of the numbers, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what fact is missing from this family? Okay, just look at the you are given two of the addition and one sentence for subtraction. That means the missing sentence is related to subtraction. So the missing sentence must have the same numbers, right? 18, 6, and 12. So that would be the second option, right? Because they have same number 18, 12, and 6. Also, you can just see like the sentence is just swap these position of these two numbers. So 18 minus 12 equals 6. That would be the second option, right? What fact is missing from this fact family? So which is the correct option? Okay, just look at the given facts, right? You are given two of the subtraction sentences. Only one of the addition sentence is given, right? That means the next one, the missing one is also related to addition. So it would be 1 plus 18 equals 19. The second option is the correct option, right? 1 plus 18 equals 19. That is the correct option. The numbers must be same in the fact families, right? So the second option is the correct one. If you already know the answers, you can write down the answers in the chat box. What fact is missing from the fact family? So just look at the facts. You are given one for addition, two for subtraction, right? That means the missing one is for addition, right? So 9 plus 10 equals 19. That means it would be 10 plus 9 equals 19. Option number 1 is the correct option because the fact family have exactly same numbers. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? What fact is missing from this fact family? So which is the correct option? You can see you are given two of the subtraction sentences, right? For addition, you are given just one sentence. That means the missing one would be related to addition, right? That means the correct one is option number 1, 9, and because the numbers involved are 3, 9, and 12, so it would be 3 plus 9 equals 12. So option number, very good, 1 is the correct option. What fact is missing from the fact family? So which is the correct option? Which fact is missing? You can see you are given two of the sentences related to addition. just one subtraction. This one is also related to addition. This one, you are given just one sentence related to subtraction. That means the missing one is related to subtraction. So which is the correct option? It would be option number 1. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. What fact is missing from this fact family? Which is the correct option? You are given two of the subtraction facts, right? That means the missing one is addition one, right? So it would be, yes, that would be 17 plus 2 equals 19, because 12, no, the numbers must be 12, 7 and 19, right? So that would be option number 1. 12 plus 7 equals 19. The numbers must be same, right? What fact is missing from the fact family? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or 2? You can please write down the answers in the chat box. Yes, very good. That would be option number 1, because the numbers must be same. So it would be 7, 4 and 11. That is option number 1. I have to click on the OK button. What fact is missing from this fact family? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number. The missing fact would be related to subtraction, right? Because you have given just one of the subtraction sentence. So it would be 15, because the numbers are 15, 2 and 13. So option number 1 is the correct option. 15 minus 13 equals 2. What fact is missing from the fact family? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, the correct option is option number 2. 8 plus 6 equals 14. That would be option number 2 is the correct option. What fact is missing from the fact family? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be the second one, because the number involved are 12, 8 and 20. So that would be the second option. What fact is missing from this fact family? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. 8 minus 7 equals 1. What fact is missing from the fact family? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 9 plus 1 equals 10. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division terms. Let's just start with the next lesson. In this problem, one is what is 5? 5 is minuend, 2 is subtrahend, right? You can just remember these words. The greater number or the number you are subtracting from is minuend, right? The smaller number is subtrahend, to be subtracted, right? So you are going to subtract 2 from 5. So 5 is minuend, 2 is subtrahend, and 3 is the difference of these two numbers, right? Okay. The next one is in this problem, what is 48? So you're going to subtract 4 from 48. So 48 must be minuend. And because you're subtracting 4, so 4 is subtrahend, right? In this problem, what is 2? 2 is the difference of two numbers. So 2 is just the difference, right? Okay, let's start with the practice questions. In this problem, what is 2? Which is the correct option? When you are subtracting two numbers, the answer is the difference, right? So 2 is the difference of the numbers 31 and 29. It is the difference. In this problem, what is 5? So in case of addition, both the numbers are added, right? Because in case of addition, it doesn't matter which number you write first. Either you do 35 plus 5 or either you do 5 plus 35, right? That would be 40. So both the numbers must be added. 40 is the sum and 35 and 5 are the addend. In this problem, what is 5? We are subtracting 2 from 5, right? So 5 must be minuend. The correct option is minuend. In this problem, what is 5? 39 minus 5 equals 34. So 5 is, because you're subtracting 5, so the number that you are subtracting is subtrahend, right? The correct option is subtrahend. The smaller number, the number you are subtracting is subtrahend, and the number you are subtracting from is minuend. So your 5 is the number you are subtracting, so 5 is the subtrahend, right? In this problem, what is 8? So you are subtracting from 8, right? 8 must be minuend, right? In this problem, what is 38? So you can see you have 78 minus 40, right? And 78 minus 40 is 38. So you're subtracting two numbers. 38 must be the difference of these two numbers, right? So 38 is difference. In this problem, what is 86? So which is the correct option? You are adding two numbers, right? 58 plus 28. That means 86 is the sum of the numbers, right? 86 is the sum. In this problem, what is 28? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 28 is the difference, right? That would be the difference. Yes, hi. If you have any question, you can please ask. In this problem, what is 19? Which is the correct option? 19 plus 29, right? Both the numbers are adding, so they both are addend, right? 19 and 29 both are addend, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is solve inequalities using addition and subtraction. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 18 minus 16, and you have to compare it to 18, right? So just look at the numbers both sides. Here you have 18, here you have 18. But here you're subtracting 16 from 18, right? So when because you're subtracting, that means this number is then less than 18. So 18 minus 16 is less than 18, right? If on the right hand side you are going to add something, that would be bigger than the other side. If you are subtracting something, that would be smaller than the other side, right? For the next one, 3 plus 1 equals 1 because you are adding. That means the side must be greater. 3 plus 1 must be greater than the other side, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which sign makes the statement true? You can see 8 is adding to 13, right? Adding means then that would be greater than the other side. So 13 must be less than other side, right? So 13 is less than 13 plus 8. Which sign makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? 11, and you have to compare 11 minus 0, right? So subtracting 0 or adding 0 to any number change nothing, right? That means 11 minus 0 is 11, so the both sides are exactly equal. Which sign makes the statement true? So which is the correct option? 3 plus 1 is you are adding 1 to 3, right? That means 3 plus 1 is greater than 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 is obviously greater than 1. Which sign makes the statement true? 17 plus 17 and 15 plus 15, which is the correct option? 17 is greater than 15, right? And you are adding 17. So 17 plus 17 is greater than 15 plus 15. That would be greater. Which sign makes the statement true? 19 minus 0, and you have to compare it to 19. 19 minus 0 is 19, so they both sides are exactly equal. Which sign makes the statement true? 6 plus 0 and 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, they both are exactly equal. Which sign makes the statement true? 18 minus 9 and 18, so they both are greater or less? 18 minus 19 is less than 18. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 9 is less than 18. Which sign makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? 11 and 11 minus 8. You are subtracting from 11, right? That means the other side must be less than 11. So 11 is greater than 11 minus 8. Which sign makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? Yes, they both are exactly equal. Which sign makes the statement true? 15 minus 4. Yes, then 15 minus 4 is less than 15, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. We're working on the properties and the lessons we have covered. Related addition fact, related subtraction facts, fact families, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division terms, and solve inequalities using addition and subtraction. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.